Push the button. Oh look, and that shows you that there's the water flowing through from the... There we go, you just need a little hand.
Something's happening.
There you go, look, the sluice case is going down there.
Oh.
And then, yeah, there we go, the water's filling up. Well look, it's flowing through this one. Filling up the pond. Yes, that's like the tide coming in. Fills up the pond. Obviously with what, 7.5 hectares? That's a really big pond, a lot of weight behind it. And that's why it's not just high tide, it fills that up and then they release it through the sluice. Or is it on a timer?
I think it must be on a timer.
Yeah.
It's just waiting for it to do itself because it's now full.
Yeah. It's only a little bit going through now. What's it going?
Oh! Mitre gates are open and pod fills.
Pond field, tide
now,
goes
tide
out.
goes out and mitre closes gate, trapping water.
Yeah, okay, so that's that one.
And then sluice gates opens and water turns the water wheel. And water turns the water wheel. Not quite.
Just give it a little poke, give the wheel a poke.
Which way?
Towards you. Or the other way. There we go, just need a little helping hand. Wheel needs greasing.
Very good.
Yeah.